Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about ClickBank products and the top 4 products that you should be promoting here in 2019. So if you're here for the first time on the channel, we teach you affiliate marketing. We teach you how to really build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So if you haven't yet already, go ahead, click the subscribe button, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So before we get started, hit that like button once again if you're excited for the content, if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So before we get into the top 4 products, I want to explain to you exactly what I did to find these quality products on ClickBank. And this is really going to help when you're filtering through just thousands of products that are available in the ClickBank marketplace. You'll be able to cherry pick and choose the best product. So the first thing that you want to look at when it comes to looking at different products in the marketplace is whether or not they have an affiliate page. Most products will have an affiliate page. The second thing that you want to look for is, do they give away good assets? Do they provide email copy? Do they provide video swipes? Do they tell you the demographics to actually target when you're creating like Facebook campaigns or YouTube campaigns? Are they giving you, the age range, male, female? Are they actually doing testing in the trenches? So the more assets they give you, the more data that they give you, the better chance that you're going to have success with your campaigns. So I took this information into account when I was looking for these top 4 products. So without further ado, let's get into the first product. The first product I have mentioned in past videos to promote is the Super Affiliate System. And by the way, below each product, it will list out the affiliate page right here. Then of course you have the initial sell amount that you'll actually make on the front end of the funnel, the average percentage of the sell that you get, which is 50%. And then if, people go on a payment plan, you're going to earn, a rebill amount of $294.84 until the total amount of the product is paid off. Okay, so here is the actual JV page of Super Affiliate System. And like I explained, the few things that you want to look for when it comes to a, quality promotion, you've got JV email promos right here. So you've got good quality email promos. You've got Facebook ads. You've got YouTube ads. And so when I click on Facebook ads right here, it's going to jump down and it's going to give you some examples of email copy or Facebook copy, in other words, that's worked extremely well. So you can see this millionaire laptop lifestyle. You can see the copy here, and you can use this as a model when you're creating your own Facebook ads. And then here's another one right here, another example, yet again, another example. So what John is doing is he's providing numerous examples and swipes that you can use in your own marketing. And then he also gives you the top performing videos affiliates are using on Facebook ads. So you got the first one right here. You got the second one right here, and you can get access to the downloads right here in Google Drive. So he gives you access just to every single asset that he's using inside of his own business, along with which assets are converting the best. So if we scroll down here to YouTube advertising, he's getting the best results from YouTube. He gets a 500% ROI. And you can actually see here's his top performing YouTube ad. Again, you can download that down here. All you need to do is just simply click, and then it's going to take you directly to his Google Drive, and you can download any of these videos and personally upload them, to your YouTube channel, and then simply run them as ads. So as you guys can see right here, John just gives an insane amount of, value when it comes to the assets that you can use to promote Super Affiliate System. So that's a good example of the types of materials that a good JV partner will give you, a good, product owner will give you. So that is the first product. The second product is known as Cinderella Solution. This one is a little bit newer. It's got a super high gravity. So this is selling a lot. It gives you 84% commissions, and you're going to earn $33.90. Again, here is the affiliate page right here. And you guys can see what you'll need to do when you first come to the affiliate page is you'll need to enter your email address. When you do that, they will send all your information straight to your email. So you can see they give you good demographic information right here. So it says Cinderella is primarily designed for women ages 40 to 65. We have a number of customers in their 30s too, but the sweet spot is obviously 40 to 60 years old. And they provide different landing pages, right? So no two traffic sources are going to be the same. What works with solo ads and email traffic might not work well with Facebook ads. Why? Well, Facebook is pretty dang tough when it comes to compliance. And so they actually explain to you that their standard VSL page isn't very compliant with Facebook, and they seem to be cracking down on weight loss offers right now, which is very, very true. So you don't want to use the standard landing page or sales page you would send people to. You can actually use this quiz style landing page or this no header style landing page in your Facebook marketing. So they give you particular assets. Good affiliate programs give you particular assets for particular traffic sources, because once again, two traffic sources aren't the same. So here's an example of the first one right here. You can see this lander, and then you have another example right here. Okay. And what you can do is you can reach out to the affiliate manager, and typically it's within the email, or it might be on the JV page. And usually they'll give you their Skype information. They'll give you their email, and you'll be able to contact them directly if you need any help with their, with your promotions. Sometimes they will give you the exact funnels and everything that they're using that you can actually import in your own ClickFunnels account, so you can track everything. So if you want to get the most out of a quality affiliate program, then it is best to have a good relationship with the product owner, whoever's the affiliate manager. So that is my number 2 recommended product on ClickBank. The third recommended product is Commission Hero. And you've also heard me talk about this before. Why do I like Commission Hero? It's very exclusive. You can't just click the promote button and grab your affiliate links. What you have to actually do is reach out to Robbie at robbieblanchard.com, and you have to get manually approved. Why do I like this? I like it because the product will not get saturated. With ClickBank products, a lot of times everybody can create a free account. They can get access to the same products, which creates a lot of saturation in the marketplace. I like the fact that Commission Hero has somewhat of a barrier to entry, but they approve most affiliates. But there's less people promoting, which is more opportunity for income. So if we jump over here once again, look at all these video assets. I'm actually running a campaign right now with YouTube ads that's performing really, really well. And I'm using these video ads on YouTube. So you got video ads, you've got, if I scroll down here, you've got little 30-second montages you can use on Facebook or YouTube as well. You've got ad copy that you can actually use for like your Facebook ads. You can use it for just Facebook organic posts. You can post in groups. You can use it for email follow-up. And then once again, you got Commission Heroes Facebook targeting demographics right here. Super important. So the age and gender is men 25 to 64, women 30 to 50. Men convert 80% higher than women, which is insane. This is great information to have. And then you got the top 5, tier 1 countries right here. And then you have your targeting and interest that you should be targeting. And then you've got even more email swipes that you can use. And you can even import. This is one of the things that I was saying. You can literally import these same landing pages into your ClickFunnels account if you have ClickFunnels, so you do not have to build your own opt-in pages and your own landing pages. I can literally click here with a click of a button, and it'll go to my ClickFunnels account as long as I'm logged in, and it will import Robbie's funnel into my ClickFunnels account. Then I got to connect my autoresponder, set up my affiliate link on the thank you page, and I am good to go. And this is actually the funnel that I'm running with right now. Last but not least, the last product, and there's a little bit of a caveat to this product. I like this product because it pays really well. It's called Halki Diabetes Remedy, and it pays 75% commissions. The diabetes niche is absolutely huge. So really, when it comes to promoting ClickBank products, anything in like the health and wellness niche or the make money online e-business, e-marketing, categories and niches are going to be the two best to utilize and promote products within. So if you were to pick the two categories, once again, if I go over here to ClickBank, I would pick e-business and e-marketing, and also health and fitness. Okay. So I was mentioning that I like the 75% commissions. Also, Alessandra, the affiliate manager, gives you their information here. You can reach out to them directly. So if you need media for YouTube, you can probably get that. The only problem that I didn't like with this program, other than it converts extremely well according to ClickBank, is that it doesn't have a ton of assets. It's got email swipes and creative. It doesn't have assets for YouTube and for Facebook, which is the two best traffic sources right now. But other than that, if you are able to create your own resources or just plug into the affiliate manager, I'm sure you could be highly successful with this particular promotion. So let me just run through this real quickly. You've got your affiliate links right here. You've different types of VSLs, pop-ups, no pop-ups. You've got web banners, which is great for blogs. You've got product images. You've got lead magnets that you can use. You've got SEO keywords. So if you're big into ranking websites in Google or even doing video marketing, this is a good, asset to have right here. And then once again, like I said, you can contact the affiliate manager. I'm sure there's some successful affiliates that are running on Facebook and on YouTube, and they're more than likely going to give you access to those assets if they have them. So this is my last recommended product just because they don't have assets for Facebook or YouTube at this time. But again, I would reach out to the affiliate manager and see if they can help you with that. So those are my top 4 ClickBank products to promote here in 2019. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, go ahead and comment below by letting me know, like this video, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. As you know, we upload videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, fulfillment. And if you want to learn how to build a ClickBank business or just an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in great detail, go ahead and click the links below in the description. Those are all the resources that will help you get from A to Z in a very step-by-step fashion. This is Josh Elder signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.